Danielle, welcome to my channel. My name is Paige. If you've never seen my face before, then please consider subscribing before you leave. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. So today we are going to be doing a fall clean with me. I know you guys really enjoy these. Plus, in today's video, I will be giving away a set of my favorite fall scented cleaning products. So make sure you watch to the end to see how you can win those. I have not pre-cleaned. I have not done anything except for starting a load of laundry this morning, and that is all I've done. And then as soon as I done it, I was like, crap, why didn't I wait to do this? But that's all I've done this morning. It is after Labor Day weekend. The house looks a hot, blessed mess, and yeah, you're just gonna come along with me. There is an amazing deal available right now if you are a new customer with Grove Collaborative. If you have not signed up yet, I don't know why you have not signed up yet. This free set that they offer during the fall is probably my most favorite. Christmas comes, you know, right underneath that. The fall scents that Mrs. Myers has, I feel like those are just the best ones all year round. I've heard mixed reviews on the new pumpkin, so I don't have that because I just heard way too many mixed reviews on it, so I'm sticking with my apple cider and mum, and y'all, they are amazing. So if you have not joined Grove Collaborative yet and you're interested in trying out either the apple cider or the mum or the pumpkin set, you can definitely check the link down below. You will get it for free. So right now the deal is a multi-surface cleaner, the fall scent, a dish soap, a hand soap, and one of Grove Collaborative's replaceable head dish brushes. I have this in my sink as we speak, so I know you guys are going to love that. This is definitely my favorite free set that they give out because you're getting everything that you need. You're getting the cleaner, the dish soap, and the hand soap. You really can't go wrong, and like I'm telling you, the fall scents are amazing. It's really a toss-up in between the apple cider and the mum is which one's my favorite. I really can't decide. It just depends on what mood I'm in. Apple cider is definitely more fall. It is definitely fall. It gives you like candle vibes. It's not sweet. It's just a really nice fall scent. And then the mum is more of a floral fall scent, but it is so good. I love cleaning our bathrooms and our bedroom with the mum. It is just incredible. I can't wait to pull those out of my collection and get started to clean. So without any further ado, let's get this fall clean with me started. Get things moving, I'm just going to clean out our robot vacuum cleaner. His name is Robbie, and normally at night while we're asleep, Robbie goes through the main parts of the house and vacuums the floor, but I felt like some dirt was trapped in the house since his last cleaning, so I figured I would just let Robbie run while I was getting some cleaning done. I think it does an incredible job, especially with the pet hair. An incredible job, so I'll make sure to leave my Robbie link down below.
Deep like an overdose, you're the antidote. Losing sleep, I am in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived.
Can we talk about how messy my dining table has been for the longest? It has become our catch-all area, and it drives me insane. But that has not stopped me from putting things on that table. Eventually, I will get our mudroom situation all situated so that we're able to go through there, and then I can have somewhere where we just drop all of our stuff off when we come in, because right now, that is what this kitchen table is for us. And it's a work in progress. It's definitely a work in progress.
Got me losing sleep, I am in too deep like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I am in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived.
vacuum cleaning is definitely one of my top priorities when it comes to cleaning. A lot of the rooms in the house, I kind of keep them clean as I go, so they never really get like extra messy, but the kitchen just sometimes seems to get out of hand, so I try to make sure that is my top priority when cleaning. For us, our kitchen is the center of our home, and when it's clean, it just makes everything else feel so much more put together. Right now I'm just putting some Eden's Garden oil in my diffuser. This is Guardian, and it is just a really, really good blend. It kind of gives me fall vibes, which was one of the reasons that I chose it. Also because I'm getting a little bit of my like allergy situation going on, so I'm trying to make sure I nip that in the bud before it gets too out of hand. I do not need to get sick right now, so I just put that in both of my diffusers and just let those just diffuse all into the air.
You know it, 'cause you already messed it up.
Giveaway time! So if you want to be entered to win these goodies right here, you're going to get the full set of the Mrs. Meyer's in the apple cider scent. You're also going to get that replaceable head dish brush and the Grove Collaborative caddy. If you want to win this, make sure to check the description box. I will have all of the entry rules listed down below.
Blaming me for causing your insanity. I'm pretty sure you're born like this. Talk before you think it's your original touch, but I guess it kinda works on you. You got me paper thin, doing concrete face, diving romance in the madness. You got me good, baby, keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you are.
I recently posted an updated laundry routine on my channel, so if you want to know more about the stuff that I use and why I use it, you can definitely check the link up above. I will also have it down below, so you can check that video out if you haven't already.
You've already messed it up. You got me paper thin, doing concrete face, diving romance in the madness.
My cordless Dyson has definitely made it into my top favorite products that I've ever owned list. I love this thing. I waited long enough to get it, and I just am obsessed with it. I absolutely love it, and it does a fantastic job with getting up all of the dog hair. I like to go over some of the areas that our dogs like really like to travel through, and I like to make sure that I use this on our carpets because we have like a couple different levels in our home. Our robot vacuum cleaner really can't get down to those levels, so normally I will just go in and vacuum with the Dyson. I like to get in the den, our guest bedroom, and my office, and also my studio, because those are the rooms that have the carpet in them, and it does a fantastic job on the carpets. I've talked about it before, but honestly, I can't speak highly enough. This is not sponsored. I just love this vacuum cleaner so much.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just want to go my own way, gonna let the past burn down, 'cause honestly don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations. my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
I loathe hand washing dishes. I just don't like it. It's never been one of my favorite tasks to do, but our most favorite cups that we drink out of have to be hand washed. So this is the time that I will do that. And I think I got that little brush cleaner. You can find those at pretty much any like drugstore, Walmart, wherever you shop, Target. You can find those anywhere.
To my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind. Find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now.
Just when I thought it was just an ordinary day and I was cleaning my ordinary cleaning routine, this happened. Oh my god! There is a mouse! Oh my god! Oh, I can't breathe! Oh my god! Oh god! Oh god! I thought mice didn't come out in the middle of the daytime. Well, Rosie, I appreciate you keeping it from my feet. And the devil am I going to get down? Oh my god. Never in my life has this happened to me in the middle of the day, especially caught on camera. So ever since then, I have been hiding in my office and I have not folded any clothes but I will be folding clothes here shortly. I'm just trying to collect myself. But I hope you enjoyed that little screaming montage of me hiding on the countertop.
I don't know who you are. I don't know what you've been through. Why you got scars. Since you walked through the door, I've been trying to reach you, 'cause I feel you.
I mentioned in my most recent laundry video that folding laundry and putting it away has kind of become therapeutic for me. Just a little bit. I'm not going to like totally really agree to that statement, but for some reason here lately it's just become really easy for me to be able to just fold everything and put it all away. You will notice me sniffing our laundry a couple times because it just smells so good. If you have not seen that video I spoke about earlier with my laundry routine, you got to go see the stuff that I'm using because I can't stop smelling her clothes now because they smell so freaking good.
You spin me around and you make believe. 7 you and only me. How can I trust your personality? 7 you and only one is for real. Let me be the one that makes you feel. 7 you and only me. 7 you and only one is for real.
Update on the mouse situation. My husband is home. He's handling it while I put up all of the laundry. Win-win. Y'all, I really hope you enjoyed today's video and got some inspiration, motivation for your fall cleaning. And make sure to check that description box down below so you can see how to enter to win the cleaning giveaway. I hope you guys have a beautiful and blessed day, y'all. Bye.
What's the story behind that sad tattoo you're trying to hide?